What's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm working on a 2010 Milan. Customer's complaint, all four wheels keep locking up. Let's get into the video. So the customer went to an auto parts store because he had an ABS code. They pulled the code and said it was a pressure code. They brought me the car, I threw my scanner on it and confirmed it was a pressure code. So I checked with my Ford dealer. They told me that code on this car was under warranty. Bring them the car and they'll fix it. So I towed the car to the dealer. After the dealer got it, they confirmed what the code was. They put an ABS pump on there. After the car sat there for about 2 weeks, I got a call from the dealer. They said, gotta replace the ABS module. That's gonna be about $1,500. I sat there and at this point, I'm kinda at their mercy. I couldn't argue with them. So I said, go ahead, fix it, whatever it is. So they fix it. I send my guys to go pick it up. My guy gets about 5 miles from the dealer. All four wheels lock up. So I had the car towed here, towed it back to my shop, called the dealer, told him what was going on. I said, can you just send me the parts? Let me put it on the car. He said, no, we have to do it. So another $85. This is 3 tows later, each one's $85. They had it for another 2 weeks. Called me up, said the car was ready. I got all over there, picked it up, didn't even get out of the parking lot and the wheels were locking up. So I told my guy, piss on it. I called a tow company for the 4th tow, had it towed all the way back to the shop. Called the dealer, told him what the problem was, got in an argument with him, said, piss on y'all, I'm gonna fix it myself. Let me show you what I found. One of the first things I found was on the ABS pump, the technician at the dealer cross-threaded this line here, so you couldn't even bleed it correctly, and he broke off one of the bolts in the new pump. So I put the customer's old pump back on the car. That didn't fix our problem. We still had brakes that were locking up, but it took care of a small leak that was here, and it made sure that the pump and the motor was sitting tightly together. So after I got the wheels unlocked, I was test driving the car and noticed that the brake pedal was building up some pressure and the wheels were locking up. I could reach down there with my foot, pull back on the brake pedal, release all the pressure, drive along again. Go about another 4 or 5 miles, they'd lock up, reach down there, pull that pedal up. Sure enough, that released all the pressure. I was able to drive again. So let me show you what I did. This line here is a vacuum line, which goes to your booster. And of course, that gives you your power brakes. I disconnected that brake line, got in the car, went for a test drive, brakes never locked up again. Guys, it was just a brake booster. That was also causing that pressure code. Because there was so much pressure in that system, the ABS wasn't working correctly, so it gave you a pressure code. So everything that dealer did was for nothing. And he charged me $1,500 and didn't fix the car. So needless to say, we're gonna have some words. So if you've got a Milan 2010 model, sometime around that year, and your brakes are locking up, before you go spend tons of money at the dealer, take a minute, unplug that brake booster. You will not have power brakes, so be extremely careful if you do that. Drive the car. If they don't lock up, it's just a booster. I appreciate you watching. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.